Trading has closed on December 7th, 2021. This is the trading plan I have for tomorrow, December 8th. Just remember, I can be wrong. Any trade should be at your own risk. Reminder, next week I won't be having enough time to analyze a lot of these things. I said I would like to see the rally continue, but couldn't prove it. I said we had to have a gap over this high for that to work, and that's what happened. We had a target that it should be met at some time, 46.7296. That was met, some support under it. So those things have played out. During the day, we had an ultimate buy signal early. When that worked, strong rally. MEJT said this move was false. We retrace, and we did. This is a gap up, higher highs, closed under all the highs. It's not a very favorable pattern. Either you take these highs out early, or else you see lower prices regardless of how you close. This is stalling. This is what I would call churning at the top. When you get an early rally like this, and you go in a narrow range most of the day, there might be one small blip up. And the narrower the range, the smaller the blip. But usually that means that the rally is spent. Well, here's one way to count it. I think it's a pretty good way. You have this A we already counted. You have an ABC. C is equal to twice A. So it's not hard to count 5 waves up, especially with this last little blip. It's a plausible count. We go over this by much and count falls apart, but for right now, I think it's very plausible. Don't make any move all day. Drop at a time when institutions are still playing. And as soon as the institutions leave, the last 10 minutes, you get this huge rally. Walls into the close like this are not the way institutions buy stocks. It's either short covering or something else. It's not. If we couldn't break through this all day long, I wouldn't trust to move here at the end. Now, if we gap up a gap and take these out early, then this was the false move. You don't know. But the timing and the wall typically mean it's a false move with a good chance of gapping under this low tomorrow. It's not a guarantee. Tomorrow's pattern has the early high but could gap down. Typically it's a rally day with a final hour high. Failure is a straight line drop. We gapped up at a higher high, closed under midday highs. Either you promptly overtake the high of day or you see lower prices, even if you don't close lower. The wall into the close often leads to gapping down. Timing of the rally implies it wasn't institutions who were behind it. The large range of the day with no follow-through is not a bullish pattern. There's no early strength tomorrow. It could increase the chance the wave count we showed is correct, and this rally leg has ended. Won't know for certain until tomorrow, but if we're right, we're going to gap down, even though futures are pretty flat as I'm recording this. If we take this out with style, then the count falls apart. So the pattern has the early high. It's usually bullish, but look out, we could have a straight line drop. And that's today's call.